Hi everyone and hi Miss. My name is Ahmed and I'm the student of the Bachelor of the Psychology, and today I will share my presentation is about anti-corruption, and also I would like to share my some experience from the last week in City University. We did some events and exhibitions. So first of all, I want to say, and I want to start with this: say no to corruption, yes to integrity. Introduction to the event. What the last week and the event details, I will say some and about my experience and the purpose of the event. The event it is the on 15 April 2025, and I attended an educational event about the corruptions at the City University in Cyberjaya campus. The event was organized by the Faculty of Science, and around I think 150 students was there. My experience, one part I really liked and I want to mention is I like was learned that corruptions can start with small action, like cheating in exams is can, and or giving gifts to get special treatment. As I know, is really is really uh, interesting knowledge also. I also enjoyed the exhibition at the end of the event, where students show creative poster and give short presentation after the hall. We went to exhibitions with other students. Purpose of the event, if I say, the main goal of the event was to teach students about the corruptions and how it affects our country. I mean the Malaysia. Yes, some key topics covered during the event. How corruption affects Malaysia. Corruption causes many serious problems. It slows down the country's development. Exactly. It slows down the country's development. It can affect. And the other one is it wastes public money that should help people. Exactly. And the other one is it creates creates unfair systems where only rich or powerful people benefit. The personal reflection. Before I learned this about the corruption, anti-corruption, and integrity, I thought corruption was mostly a political issue. But now I understand that is also happens in daily life, and be more honest in my students and a daily life. Analysis of the events effectiveness. The anti-corruption talk and exhibition were very effective in the raising awareness. The speakers used simple. Yes, I remember that is also about the speakers is really uh, s- used to simple to understand, of course, and clear and clear language and give real life examples. And if I am not mistaken, one of the speakers is used to work in embassy for a long time, and he gave us to his some experience. He shared with us, and also more time for open discussing or workshop. How Malaysia can move forward? Firstly, is educate more people. I believe that we need to educate more people and, and anti-corruption lesson in schools and university. Other one is teach students the value of honesty, fairness, and responsibility from a young age. Organize more public, exactly. Earnest events like talks, workshop, and campaign. Yes, until now, we talk about anti-corruption and exhibitions also, and I mentioned some my experience and I shared with you about how can we solve this problem also, right? And the summary, we can say the anti-corruption talk and exhibitions give me a better understanding of how corruption works and how it affects our society. I learned that corruption is not only in politics but can happen in our daily lives, like cheating or unfair treatment. Yes, congratulations. The Malaysia anti-corruption talk and exhibitions had a strong impact on me. It made me understand that corruption is not just about big crimes or politics. It can start from small every day, as we remember it from the first and the second page of this presentation. This present, I mentioned it. It can start from every day. It can start from small everyday actions. I mean that, and that's why we should also even small action or honest action can make a big difference. Malaysia still face many challenges in the fight against agent corruption, but with continued education, yeah, is all the finish. Thank you for listening to me and have a nice day.